Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I will show you how can you check updates and guys how to update apps in Vivo phone. Guys, you want to update guys your apps, so guys you can update your apps and guys you can check which app guys you have update and guys how to update. In this video guys, I will show you. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So and now let's start video. First of all, open your phone setting. Oh sorry friends, open your Play Store. So we will on our Play Store. Guys, click on your ID. Guys, click on manage app and device. Guys, click on see detail update available. So as you can see guys, we have three app updates. So guys, we will update. Click on this guys, all update. So guys, this app will update in your Vivo phone. So as you can update your app, go to the setting and guys you can update your app from here. Guys, you have mobile data, so guys you can use your mobile data. Otherwise guys you can connect Wi-Fi, and guys you can connect Wi-Fi, then guys you can update your apps. So I hope friends you have understood. So that's it guys, thanks for watching our video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. If you guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Right, it will update automatic. Guys, you can see two app has update. And guys, last one it will also update installing. So as you can see, there is no any update in our phone. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching our video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. If you guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye.